books and playing games when there's sunny weather.
La 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 la.
If there's rain, they're singing songs or reading books together.
La 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 la.
Every day just has a way of feeling extra lucky.
La 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 la.
When you spend it with a friend, just like Bjorn and Bucky. Just like Bjorn and Bucky.
5 minutes ago. My. I baked the world's best ever pie.
2 birds. That's double good luck. You ready for my super intense monster kick?
Hey, that's enough noise from you.
Monster kick! Look at it fly! It's going, it's going, it's...
1 strawberry for you, and 1 raspberry too. Ah!
It's gone!
Hello? Did the sky fall? Not the world's best ever pie! No, please!
We've really done it this time. Why'd you have to do your stupid monster kick?
Sorry, I'm just super strong. Oh yeah, I'm super smart as well. It's genius time!
Huh?
You're welcome. It's a time machine. We can go back in time to 5 minutes ago and fix everything.
How did you build that so fast?
No time to explain it. Now, or should I say then?
Are we sure that it's really 5 minutes ago, Bucky?
See? 2 birds, double good luck. Like before, we just traveled backwards in time 5 minutes.
Cool. Well, I guess kick the ball. Just aim it there.
It's going, it's going, it's... gone! Yeah, we did it! Bjorn, I think I broke your house. Bjorn, look! Our ball!
My little home. My lovely igloo is rubble.
It's no problem at all. I can fix this right up. Right. 5 minutes ago. One more time. Now, then.
Bucky, what if we just didn't kick the ball at all this time around?
Bjorny, what a brilliant idea! Let's just go fishing instead and forget about soccer.
We should be time-traveling superheroes.
Let's do that yesterday. Chicky, no! It's going! It's going!
What on earth have you done?
Going, gone! My rocket flies just like a flash and hits a satellite, which makes it smash into the saucer of a gloop named Gorpinglash, who spins like a top and does a crazy crash into a great big nasty asteroid, which starts to sail across the void. Hey, do you think that people will be annoyed that a chicken picked a ball and got the world destroyed? Blame the void!
Bird.
Nice going, Chicky. You just caused the end of the world.
Bucky, hurry and push the button. Well, what are we thinking?
Know what, Bjorn? Just one of Franny's pies isn't a terrible loss.
I agree, my friend. Kick it!
It's going, it's going! Bull's pie! Right, dude. I'll get my tools from home, you pick some real nice flowers, then I'll meet you at Franny's place.
The world's best ever pie! Talk to me, please, pie! Gross! That's just awful! I must have mixed up the salt and the sugar again.
Franny, it's all repaired. And it's better than it was before.
Franny, we apologize. It was an accident. These flowers are for you.
Thanks a lot. It turns out my pie was awful anyway. I'd love to be able to go back in time and fix my silly mistake.
Don't do it, Chicky! Going gone! Good manners.
And now, to continue our lesson in good manners, listen. When you meet someone, you should say, well, hello there.
Well, hello there. And should we shake their paw?
You absolutely should, Bjorny, my friend. You should give him a big fat kiss, too.
Guests are always to be offered treats first, before anyone else.
Like I'm gonna be sharing my yummy cookies with some random guest. Ha!
Before you eat, always remember to wash your paws.
Cut it out, Bucky. I'm trying to take notes over here.
Look, I understand why Franny cares about this stuff. But we're guys, we're sloppy and rugged.
Bucky, good manners are for everyone.
I don't need your please and thank yous and well hello there's. I'm totally dandy without them. Smell you later, going somewhere else to be awesome.
Franny, hey. I think I have an idea for a way to teach Bucky some manners.
Uh-huh.
I feel an epic yawn coming on. Huh? Free candy! Little suspicious, but who cares? Whoa! Another one! Even more! Where'd all this yummy goodness come from? Here's one more. All for me. Even more! Whoa! Feeling fine and dandy, 'cause I'm finding lots of candy in the trees, on the ground. It's just scattered all around. Dude, look how much I found! Well, hi, beautiful. Cake! This is the greatest day of my life! It's mine, all mine! So, hey, who turned off the lights? What's going on? Now that's more like it! Ah! Let me out of here! There's a monster! A monster!
Oh, you're never getting out of here, little cub. You're my yummy, yummy lunch.
Your lunch? No thanks. Not that I'm not honored, but wouldn't you rather eat this lovely cake instead?
Nope. My doctor said the only thing I can eat are bears with really terrible manners.
Sounds sensible, but I don't have terrible manners. I'm ultra well-mannered.
Yeah? Then why didn't you greet me when you came into my scary cave?
I just didn't realize that you were here. Well, hello there. Now just shake paws with me, or whatever those are.
I'm not sure that I believe you. Nah, I think I'm just gonna eat you up.
No, please! What was that thing Franny said? Got it! Technically, I'm your guest, so offer me a treat.
I'm not sharing my treats with you.
Not very polite. Now, what else? Did you wash your hand things?
I did not. But so what?
It looks like you're the one who needs to learn manners. Stop! Manner time! Manners Bear is here to declare. When you see your friends, be sure to say, well, hello there, or hope you're doing okay. Use a fork and chew your food. And elbows on the table, dude, that's just rude. When you get a gift, say thanks a lot, even if you really hate what you just got. When your time together's at an end, time to shake hands and say, goodbye, friend. You get all of that right, and guess what? You're polite. Thanks for not eating me. I'll text you.
Well, Franny, looks like it worked.
Yay! All right! We're the best!
Having recently learned that good manners can literally save your life, the handsome young bear shows up early for the next day's manners lesson. Bjorn! Franny! Oh, wait. Well, hello there. You are not gonna believe what just happened! Remember how I said manners were silly and boring and dumb and stuff? Then I met this big monster dude, and he was so scary, but I totally defeated him with manners!
Wow, good for you.
What are you doing with your feet on the desktop? Chicky, where are your manners? Were you born in a barn? Wait, you probably were, but that's no excuse!
The surprise. Ah, our beautiful space neighborhood, the Milky Way. The moon is on the Great Bear's bottom. Ah, interesting, don't you think? And the planet Mercury's on the Little Bear's bottom. And that would mean... Bucky, hey! You're sleeping through this? Come on, wake up! Bucky!
I'm absolutely not sleeping. I'm just resting my eyes a little.
Bucky, look! The moon's on the Great Bear's bottom!
It isn't my fault, Bjorn.
Just wake up, Bucky! It's so exciting! The position of the planets and stars means that sometime tomorrow, we'll be getting an awesome surprise!
I'm up!
Hey, where are you going?
Home to start waiting for the surprise! I love surprises. Surprises are the best! Hooray!
Huh?
Surprise time! Oh, it's just Franny.
Good morning, fellas. Did someone say surprise?
All the planets and stars were in positions that told us that we'd be getting a big surprise. So we're waiting for it.
But I thought we were all planning to go skiing together.
No way! We haven't got time. We have to wait for the surprise to come.
Are you sure you have to wait at home? Because it's really nice outside. All right then. Come on, Chicky.
Like we'd even consider skiing today. We'd miss the awesome surprise. So Bjorn, how much longer till it comes, huh?
Haven't got a clue. I haven't ever waited for a wonderful surprise until now.
We'll just wait and see, I guess.
Wow. All right, Chicky, time to have some fun. Yeah! All right! Yay! Yeah! Say worms, Chicky. Oh, what a day! It's really nice in our friendly frozen paradise of snow and ice.
Huh? Oh yeah, the surprise! Bjorn, wake up! No sleeping!
What's going on, Bucky?
How could this happen? You slept through the surprise! Maybe it's already here somewhere. Come on, help me look for it. Come on, look! Use your brain! Use your eyes! I know we can find it. We're completely clever guys. We're smart and stuff and wise. Where's our surprise? Come on! It was written in the skies. What? Is it wearing a disguise? We want our surprise, but all we got were disappointed sighs. I guess the stars were telling lies.
Wow. Take a look at that. It's beautiful. Hey, look at the sky. Doesn't it take your breath away? That must be what they call the Northern Lights. It's like something out of a fairy tale.
Look here, Bucky! It's your Turbo Super Tron-O-Matic rocket pack! Finding this might be our surprise!
It's broken. It couldn't be. Could it be your old favorite fishing rod? You were extremely upset when you lost it.
Nah, I made another fishing rod when I lost that one. An even better one. Now what, Bucky? Could be that I read the stars wrong. So, I guess it's possible our surprise might be no surprise at all. Huh?
You will not believe what I just saw! Only the most amazing thing in the whole wide world! The Northern Lights turned the whole pond into a magical frozen wonderland!
The Northern Lights are shining for real? That's massively cool!
You expect us to believe you saw the Northern Lights?
If you doubt it, come and see for yourselves. There I am, and there's Chicky. And me with Chicky. How did it go? Did you get your surprise?
Sure, of course. It turned out to be this magic cookie. Chicky!